Okay, let's unbox this guy. Okay, baby. So some new features from the 3S. It works with Find My Apple. Apple Find Me. Find My. Let's see if we can kind of zoom in here. Alright, let's unbox this guy. Oops. Thinner profile. Easier to go in the pocket. This one, same as the 3S. This one's going to be a little bit thinner. You can see it's kind of like a macron type. Oh, is there no magnet? Let me see. So take this out and see if it sticks. Oh, yeah, so let's see if there's still the little shoulder pad, chest pad. This looks empty. Yeah, this is empty. Let's put this aside. Let's see what's in here actually. Let's see. Charging cable. We're gonna keep that in for now. Let's see if we can open this. Or maybe this way is a little bit easier. I think that's it. I feel like there's a box in here. Let's take a look. There might not be anything in here. Give me a second. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So let's put that back in. Quick start, warranty, stickers. Okay, let's put these all back into the box. Cable comes out. So next we're going to have the accessories kind of side by side. I'm going to put everything from this black 3S over here for your comparison. I'm going to put this back in actually first. This is the GO3, GO3S, GO3 original. So this is the GO3, GO3S camera, and then GO3S complete. Let's see if there's anything changed from the housing. Housing looks going to be the same. Oops. Housing's going to be pretty much the same here. I don't think there's any difference. So let's charge this guy up and see. Okay, accessory wise, we have a little bit of difference when I mentioned. So this part is actually magnetic, I think. Yes, this is magnetic. This is the old one. This does not come magnetic. Okay. This is going to be the same. These look pretty much the same. I don't think there's any different. These two, this is a little bit harder, thicker, bulkier. This one is a bit annoying when you take it off, right? I can't even pull it off right now, but this one, you pretty much a stick on. So, and then this doesn't come off, right? Whereas this one, you have to put somewhere to like hide it or like put in your pocket after you stick it somewhere. So those are the main differences. And no more magnetic chest piece here. I guess they figured that you didn't really need it. Okay, the necklace, I guess the lanyard, slightly different material, and putting it on this one is a lot easier. You kind of just infinite loop. This one, they kind of get you to try to loop it into these little holes. So yeah. And then for the necklace adjustment, kind of just pull like this. Pretty similar here as well. And when you wear the necklace, that means 9x16. Put it on the right is 16x9. Let's say YouTube, this is the setting. And that would be your Instagram, TikTok as well. And this is me just kind of wrapping it up in no specific order. Yes. Yeah, and then once you want to use it, you just kind of pull. But usually I'd probably just leave it like this most days. Okay, lastly, let's try to turn this camera on. So we're gonna rip this off a bit. Power it on. I think I need to okay, so set up. These are all the settings. Presets. Video. It's teaching me how to use it. So you can go here, here, here. So 4K 30 or 2.5, 750, 1080, 50. If you want slow-mo, there is a slow-mo option. And if you don't like hearing sound or mute, which is what I like, this one is indicator brightness, maybe medium, screen lock. Yeah, oh no, that's right, that's lock. Let's see, screen lock, rotation lock. And all the settings are going to be the same as the GO3 versus the GO3S. And reduction, stereo, directional settings. You can see this is 64 gigabytes. Pre-recording settings, I like to have it at 15. You can change mega, ultra, wide, dewarp, narrow. I typically have it at narrow for now. So yeah, looks sleek as well. Okay, now we're gonna try the case. So these are all my old gear. I'm gonna put it over here. These are the new things. I might not even use this case, to be honest with you, just because everything is so like thin now. I don't know what I'm gonna use with the magnet here. So, you know, maybe if I'm wearing a cap or have the clip on, I can easily just kind of boop, chest, or even anywhere. Because now I can have a swivel pivot. This does swivel pivot better than the old one, slightly. Maybe it's just wear and tear. But this would be the case. Put this here, this here, I believe, and then this one over here, and then the camera. I'm charging the black one, so this would be the case. And then the pendants. Oh right, the pendants. I usually don't even bother. I could probably just do this, and then just close it, zip it up, and that's it.